This quarter, I learned the importance of asking questions. I used to think it's admitting that you're not good at something or it's a kind of like a sign of weakness, but I understand more how like that's okay. It's part of the learning process. We're all learning and it's okay to not understand something. And we need to ask questions to really get better at what we're learning about.
One lesson I've learned is that communication is key because it trains me on how to deal with engineers in the real world. In addition, it makes each step of the engineering design process more precise, including the design, building, and even testing.
A lesson I learned was that double-checking everything is very important. If we hadn't checked several components of the quadcopter, such as motors or the ESCs or the propeller guards, during the final competition, a lot of problems would have arisen and we wouldn't have known what the cause was. So by checking everything beforehand, twice, 3 times, we're able to make any changes that were necessary and make sure that the quadcopter is truly perfect and ready to go.
Hello, my name is Ledezma. I was a part of Boeing 797 for Engineering 7B. One thing that we took from this quarter was time management. As the quarter went on and we had to work more on a quadcopter as well as coding and final presentations, we made sure to communicate with one another and made sure that there was at least 3 people working in open labs as well as setting up meetings where we would all work together for AIRs as well as coding and of course our final presentation.
In this class, I learned the importance of exchanging ideas between team members and don't be afraid to make changes.